ngakwazi ukuthi ulitshontshe phela incane. No, uyatshontsha. I'm like, oh my God, this is so perfect because all my other small brushes, we lose them. And give us a fun so brush and clapping. Hi guys. What's good? Ngingeno iflu cabanga. Awema. Ni right, ni trend. Yeah, kuzonetha manje. Otagiyaduma ingcono ngihleli noLisa ngoba mina mekuduma. I remember the other time ngisahlala ngedwa la endlini mekuduma I'd call my ex and be like, bro, I just need to stay on the call with you. Like, I'm not fine. Angiyalisabi izulu. Ayigeli masubheka iconsa sebrush masubheka into serious ngiyacela girl yazi engiyadinga like awachajiwe.
Phansi kombhede la alikho.
Alikho phansi kombhede. I tried.
Amacele alikho.
No, lila somewhere la.
Lila tayi lapha.
Lawa lana ngala the other time.
Ntombazane.
Lingala.
Semuva waphela kade ngithane shuthi la emuva. Awusukuma sibheke. Kuba lapha phansi kombhede alikho.
Akho usibhekiswa mina.
Lana ngisho lelile I remember.
Akho.
Yes.
Nakho sekubhekiswa.
Uzongiphatha sengithole ukuphila.
Bana. Lie.
Ngicela imali yami.
Hayi bangazi ngathembisa mali wephasi.
Ngicela ungithembisayo. Wayibuze ukuthi uzongikezani.
Ngazi ngathembisa lo.
You better think. Okay?
Well, I can't think.
Yeah. You better think, okay?
Siyajima manje guys.
Late manje. Mama.
Sekuyanetha already mina ngisathi kusazonetha.
Abametha la sekunikela ekolitsheni.
Abaqedile labantu kwakha namanje. Fucking hell.
Elisi izola namhlanje bangivusa Sunday engale kamnandi. Uso wena nje.
Athi usanda kuvuka njengoba ngikuvusa.
Ngizovusa iphone.
Awukho serious. Awukho serious. Kwamba ngijwayele ukubeka lana iphone yamanje. Yes. Wena ungaphuthanga kahle ikhawuthi.
Hayo. Nange blame to.
Wena thoma ungaphuthanga. Thoma uphuthe kahle ikhawuthi.
Imile la le khawuthi ayisuka imile la. Fuck imile.
Yenze kanjena. Like this.
Wena izingenzi nto uzazi ukuhlala esitiki.
No, like this, show me like this.
Lihleli nje uzwa yini? Uthi ya. Cha nje nesiqebe yeso.
Buhambe uthi ngilimaze ezinye iy'ngane. Anisasho nanokuthi ngivuke edustini. Hawe ma. Hayi ngikhathele shame yabo nje mewukuthi ucabanga ukungimema somewhere. Awuhambe uqhubule lelo khanda lakhe elikhulu ungishiye phansi mina. Yo.
Awuyaba. Nekusukumela esontweni. Awuyaba.
Sanibonani. What's good? Thank you always here. Angisanlimazile guys ngiweseni yazi. Ulo ulisa. Asisakaza phansi ifoni yami. Ngobani?
Ngikhumbula wona ke manje ngitshele. Choma ngikwazi ungisebhuti choma.
Hayibo mina
ngiyafuna ukuyakuyona shokuthi unyama khona imnandi choma ebhuti. Ewa. But 34 minutes. 1:30.
I can't.
Everyone
I'm
take-
working with Louis.
Phela uzobe ungayosho uzobe uyodla ukudla kufanele restaurant angani it's not a club is it
I can't. If there's someone or snap pile up and I show on the snaps, I'm gonna be in trouble. Hi, Bo.
wena ngaba siyagqoka manje siyahamba siyala kule nto eseLouis
Come on, Sunday.
geli
Yaphela ngo-10.
geli
Ah, okay.
geli
Ini palms.
ngeke wena umuhle buka mina uthi njani
kodwa ngoba iyashesha ukuphela ngizophuma kule life ngiyobuza bazoziproza khona
hayibo amarada wekho
uzoyithola njani irayida kungasebenzi ngizilethe mina uyagula
uzoshaya ama-cocktails just drinking cocktails
angazi bekusikhathini bekuwu-4 angithi besilindele la mitha la sengidolile futhi imitha umlomo wami ushile yezwa uzoba right kade uhleli nosquishi wami la
uphefele manje
ngibona engathi une-stain nje manje usungenzeni
hawu namanga hawu wadlela ngosquishi hayi bakumina engimsquishile
ukhari lo
squishy
ushiswa yini ade angazi ade ngingawucobanga
hayibo ufaka ublack
ade ngingawucobanga
phuma sathane
azini
ufakele ublack
azini
unosathane yasi
ngikushile la ngiyoyiphuzela ngedokhishini angisafuni asifuni ukuhamba nawe oh yes let me just do it here emabhodweni alisa la yes I love going live here actually this is better yakushi umlomo wami ushisa ukuthi ade yabona uma lento le uthi ulibele ukhotha isikhathi eside ukhotha yasidudla ya nawe ukhotha mase la usugcoba khona sekulate usushile thank you Hamza I'm thanks oh thank you ninjani guys like I hope you guys are good awusekho ku WhatsApp hayibo seke ngaba khona yini umuhle sisinde ngiyabonga Sakalama you'll forever be my crush thank you Scalego excuse me what are you cooking I'm not cooking today I'm not cooking Sana I'm not Ngifike phekile so I'm good and I already ate I just have to drink a Benylin because hayibo guys umkhuhlane ngiyawuzwa thank you Mary Kamalako malibizwa Cindy uzakala ngendlela emnandi mara igama lakho malibizwa uCindy uzakala ngendlela emnandi thank you Scarlet oh Columbine thank you is it Columbine or is it Colombili thank you Chuma oh my god I'm so tired thank you Scarlego. 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 Phelile indaba yama-ace manje. Asakhala manje. Can you sing? No. I can't sing to save my life. I can't sing to save my life. I love you too, Innocentia. Innocentia. What's in Pumalanga? Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, one of my hearts, guys. I Zulu. Sometimes ngomzulu kuyadependa ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ngibe yini ngalolo suku lolo. So yeah, but ngikhathele shem. Who's this and who's that and why yena yenza kanjani?
Hi.
Hi.
Kunjani?
Uyaphila njani wena?
Uvumelekile ngizovela.
Yeah, vela. No, I haven't tried it, but I'll try it out because I don't know what's going on. My paper is literally just tripping and I'm angry. Like I'm dead ass angry.
Kunjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Kunjani namhlanje? Usemuhle.
Ngiyabonga mfethu.
Ngiyabona sokuphumile ema-outing lapha ema-Matrix.
Yes, I think phelezelele kangani Nkosi yami.
Sakazi.
Siyakwazi igama lakhe ya.
Uhlala lapha. Hey, bengifanelana mina ngiyazi ukuthi boyfriend yakhe uDiba.
Uhlala kephi kombe?
Oh.
Iyiphi indawo, iliphi ilokishi eliseduzane neMedland?
4 weeks.
Ilokishi, like the township. Is it Tembisa or what? I think that was Tembisa. It stays in Tembisa. It's not Tembisa. I don't know. But it's Eh? Yes, I did it for free. I actually hired the car and then the photographer, and I paid for my own dress, my makeup, my hair.
Too much information.
No, like I'm just saying that I didn't charge him anything.
Oh.
Yeah. No, Wangela. I was live the other day, Wangena. Is there echo?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, but I can't hear it, so it's probably me. Alright. I thought it was me. Because I'm trying to go to my echoes, but like, that's pale. Ngiyakotol. Ziyakhala manje. Awuziyakhala manje. Kena udlala umculo lapho sidade. I fall off. Rubbish. Naile, walk your para, naile. Walk your nana. Da, jengeta kuba ya. Ulisi uyadelela kabi lo. Delela kabi ngisahla ngenyanyu. I've been good the commenting on my weight about. I am gaining because my life is finally rosy and I don't have to prove a point to anyone or I am gaining and it feels good. It feels good to be here. Love it. I'm gaining really. So what? Like you guys are always just oh, this is going on. There's that going on. If my body changes and it does whatever it wants to do, and oh yeah, also I'm drinking a lot, but like that's the least of my problems. I'm happy. I'm living my life on my own terms. Yes, corner sometimes where I have bad days, like very bad days, but like I am living my life in my own terms. There's no nigga I'm reporting to. There's no nigga I'm reporting to. There's no nigga I apologize to just because ngilalile ngazumeka. Nina emjolweni yenu niyachaza ngichaza ukuthi ulaleleni. Why do I have to explain myself with why was I napping? Why kumele ngichaze lokho? Sengiyasaba ngiyatatazela njalo uma ngipapha ngiyaphenika ukuthi awema yikho yini miss call lana ho worse mina benginomkhubo ukuthi ngije ifoni yami i-chargile ivele iwe iphuma i-charger ngivuka i-off sengiyazi ukuthi ngizochaza yibo guys mina manje if ubone ngathi ufuna uku-comment about my weight, that's on you, baby. I could be whatever I want to be right now. If I wanna look skinnier, I have the money to try make sure that I look skinnier, but let me enjoy my body. Thank you. And let me gain weight in peace. And you're not even going to do that to other people. Even the people you're not going to go to their pages and then call them. I'm a comment, and it's always the women. It's always the women that are doing that. Like, ungene page lo muntu mase uya commenta ngeweight yakhe, and then what? You understand abafana mebekhuluma yazi you know why? Because babafazi vele labo bazohlala bekhuluma lamadoda la ahlala kwama comment section ama warriors ahlala kwama comment athuka abantu besifazane vele labo kwabhita kudala kulabo kodwa abantu besifazane hayi shame uyinja chili bites uyinja chili bites uyinja ungene ephetsheni lengane yabantu ipostile right ufike wena we uhlanganaphi nokuthi uyislender noma uyisidudla noma uyini uhlanganaphi akubuyonaka yonke lento yakho naleli rice lakhe eliyipapa hamba unaka lela rice lakho lelo livuthiswe seliyipapa manje meke labanda nje sekumele ulisike ulenze ikwe hamba unaka lelo rice lakho lelo hlanganaphi rice cause hamba unaka lelo rice lakho. I'm crashing out. I'm always crashing out though. My real followers know that I'm always crashing out. Hambona kalelo papa lakho wena. Yo uyakhuluma shame ngiyazi ngiyakhuluma vele. Hayibo ukenzile ntombi ngiphume eCape Town mina babes. Ngitshela ukuthi bengizohamba ngifuquza ididi lingageziwe airport yonke ngijwayele yapi. I just landed. Okay, not I just landed, but I landed today. Yeah, Teta man, of course. I have a platform to do that, so why not? Cindy is changing topics like crazy. Man, inkinga ngifunda my comments, so I have to jump from one thing to another. It makes sense, right? Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Hayi man, angisho ukuthi ugezile. Bathing. Yeah, I understand ukuthi uthini manje. Ubani? Can you sing? Thank you so much. Yini mina le? Wayibiza ngeligama.
Mayiphi lena?
Negama lakhe li-red flag nje.
Buka. Iblasho.
Usho ukuthini kanti?
Buka la.
Hawa. Besides that, like masemva lapho njengobe umphathi mase sediniwe mase hlale yakuchukuluza phela besimangele ukuthi besikhuluma ngama waste hayi ama weight sesikhuluma ngama rice hayi ama waste yo sikhuluma ngama weight umuntu wesifazane like wesindo or like appearance or like who comment ukuthi oh who gained who lost weight. I saw they were on this other girl's page. Who's that girl? Babalo. Lo umngane athando noma usa umngane athando. I'm like, why would you do that? Like why would you do that? You guys are just, and it's girls, it's women, it's yo. Oh mama womuntu lowo like usakhulisa itoddler. Ingane mase kuba khona abanye abantu abazofika bayibhulishe yona. Kuzobe setatazela la esefuna ukufoka whoever lo odelela ingane yakhe. Kodwa yena uyangena kuma comments athi nje you've lost weight, you've this, you've that, you've gained weight. If I want to gain weight, I will gain weight. If I want to lose weight, I will lose weight. I can do it. And Mina J, you don't even have to give me much of a challenge if I want to. If I want to. If I want to. So don't come here and tell me, oh my God, you gained. Stop. Thank you, Naughty. I'm actually genuinely happy though now. Like, I think my mom was like, girl, I don't know what to do. And I'm like, girl. And it's just like, girl. And then we both like, girl. And it's just like, oh, but some guy no kill up a lot shilly now, no more, but not hold my cup. Marshley, thank you, Marshley. Marshley. Thank you, my baby. How are you doing? Kufanele umshado wesiZulu nesindi all that thing kufanele my God ngizobe ngigqoke emshadweni ngithi ngiseleni savana yami lapha my God ingowethu siyavu uzosiwashela sipheke mase ngithi whoa what do you mean ngizoniwashela nginiphekele? No babe, I am marrying the breadwinner. No, I'm not doing that. Anyways, my God, think away too. No, please, no. Can we change the uzosi washila asi pegele part? Thank you. Doesn't matter. Please add Uhud baby. Ukana yinla. Ayukache. I said no. He's so funny. Aphi ama-moderator angikwazi ama-moderator ukuthi akephi angiboni neyodwa la uChuma I saw Chuma you're my moderator now. I don't know if she's still here though. So guys, all I'm saying is that Leah attire Leah not going to you must cut on the alcohol for your own sake. Uhlanganapi. Uibu. Yanking laula bu. Uhlanganapi. Uyang laula. How? Uhlanganapi. I'm single. Advise me, please. Advising I stay single. Carry on being single because when you are single, you can think straight. When you are not single, you can't think straight. Uyabona ukuthi ubhala baniviwe ngeke ubhala uyaphuthuma uzubhala into engayenzi sense yabona are you still dating with fellow letter phuthumelani take your time baby uyaphuthuma uphuthumelani thatha isikhathi sakho bhala kahle I'm here why bhala kahle thatha isikhathi sakho dala type kahle yabona lo waletha lo usubhalela phaya ungiqeda manje I am done. I think he's starting to like TikTok live. Yeah, actually, yesterday, Sitola, ama likes are 1 million. Let me show you. And it was so nice on that live. It was genuinely so nice. So nice, bruv. It was so nice. You make a thing too. You just see your shit. Yes. Angazi ukuthi niyabona yini but like there's na limit lapha phezulu. And it was my first time actually until more likes like that. Yeah, thank you. And everyone lawa got to be khona kwi live ngifuna ukuthi I'll show you what. Sorry guys. Do likes get you money, babe? No, not really, but like yabona mengi live like it's I don't know what it means, but like it was nice seeing the numbers. I almost explained bullshit. I don't know. I don't think it gives you money. Like with TikTok, the only thing that gives you money is the gifts. And people were gifting yesterday. It wasn't that bad, but like it wasn't. Yes, Mindlos uthe na yena ngibuyile yini Nader Nader Mindlos wamapiano afikile ama moderator manje mina ngidakile ngempela ngizophuma why uthi siyahlanya. No guys, guys without even mina personality yami you guys always think that it's alcohol. It's not. Like I'm just bubbly like this on a normal day, Sana. On a normal day, on a normal fucking day. Lisa, what's it going? I'm a slippers. I'm a slippers. All right. I was singing in my bedroom. Hi, morning. I'm gonna go post. I need to go post now. I'm gonna be back, but for now, I'm just gonna be chilling, and I want to tell you guys my good things of my life later on. But yeah, what imagine about oh baby girl, Shay Sipiana. They do you guys. Bye bye.